A recent survey by the Manipur Remote Sensing Applications Center reveals a significant reduction in illegal poppy cultivation in Manipur over the past 4 years. Utilizing advanced mapping and estimation methods, the study highlights the impact of the state's War on Drugs initiative, spearheaded by Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh since 2021. The survey conducted between September 2023 and January 2024 mapped poppy cultivation areas across 9 hill districts of Manipur: Chandel, Churachandpur, Kamjong, Kangpokpi, Nonay, Senapati, Tamenglong, Technopole, and Ukhrul. The findings indicate a drop in poppy cultivation from 16,632.29 acres in 2022 to 2023 period to 11,288.07 acres in 2023 to 2024. This marks a 32.13% decrease compared to the previous year. Comparatively, the initial MARSAC report from 2021 to 2022 showed 28,598.91 acres in the poppy cultivation in 8 districts, with Kangpokpi having the largest area at 9,517.90 acres. This number decreased by 40.94% to 16,890.37 acres in 2022 to 2023. Detailed districts-wise data revealed notable declines. In Churachandpur, poppy cultivation dropped from 6,688.61 acres in 2021 to 2022 to 4,062.08 acres in 2022 to 2023. Similarly, Kangpokpi saw a reduction from 9,517.90 acres in 2021 to 2022 to 5,407.47 acres in 2022 to 2023, while Tamenglong had approximately 96.06 acres of poppy cultivation in 2022 to 2023. Nonay, which was poppy-free in 2021 to 2022, recorded 132.36 acres in 2022 to 2023. Ferzol remains the only poppy-free hill district in Manipur. An official report from the Narcotics and Affairs of Border (NAB) supports MARSAC's findings, showing significant progress in eradicating poppy cultivation from 2017 to 2024.